What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm going to be doing a look with the Smoke Sessions palette from Melt Cosmetics. This is what this palette looks like. Really pretty. It has a mirror and it has these really pretty shades. And so today's shades that we're going to be playing with is this side over, so pretty much all the gold greeny kind of shades that are in this palette, because I do have another video, I'll go ahead and link it at the top, where I did play with like the blue green shades in this palette. So I want to go ahead and focus on the other side and see the pigmentation and see how I like it, because I haven't really like played with that side of the palette because I've been playing with like other palettes. So if you want to see what I come up with using the Smoke Sessions from Melt Cosmetics, then keep on watching. All right, let's go ahead and zoom you in just a little bit. So in this palette doesn't really have that many like transition shades. It pretty much just have these two super dark shades, and the first shade that I'm gonna go into is the shade Sour Diesel, and it looks like a dark brownie shade, but let's see what it looks like on our eyelids, because I don't remember like really what this shade really looks like. And let's see, yeah, I think it looks a little different from what it looks like on the palette, and so I'm pretty much just gonna focus this shade on the outer V of the eye. It's almost like a mossy brownie green shade. That's what it kind of reminds me of. It's really a different shade that I don't have in my other collections. This palette is super pigmented, as you guys can see. Like, that didn't take no time putting that into our outer crease. And the brush that I am using is a Morphe brush, but it doesn't have a number on here. So this is what my brush looks like. It's very like small, kind of rounded shape. So next I'm going to take a smudger brush, but I'm just gonna go ahead and start packing the shimmer shades on my lid. And so the first shade I'm gonna go in with, I'm gonna use, let's see, I'm gonna start with Gravity OG, and I'm gonna work my way over. So Gravity OG, I think I'm just gonna put that in my inner corner. And so far, y'all, I don't have any fallout. I made sure when I dipped my brush into the palette that I went ahead and just tapped off the excess. If you are worried about fallout, I would put some like a good amount of powder. That way it can catch that color of pigment, and then when you're done with, you know, doing your makeup look, then you can just go ahead and wipe off that powder. But I'm gonna go ahead and start applying Gravity OG. And this shade is really pretty. It's more of like a yellow gold. Could you imagine if you wet this shade, like if you wet your brush? How pretty would this be? I mean, it's already pretty by itself. Wow. Okay, next shade I'm going to take Granddaddy is the next shade. And I'm going to use the same brush. So just use what you have. I think today I'm probably just gonna wash my brushes that I have, because I have like a shit ton of brushes, and I have not washed any of them. So I need to get on that. That way by tomorrow or tonight my brushes will be dry, so I can use them and do all these different looks for you guys. So this shade is for sure a green green shade. It does look like it has a hint of like gold in it, but it's so pretty. Like really, really pretty. Next shade I'm going to take is Black Widow, still using the same smudger brush, and this one looks like a straight up green. So I'm going to go ahead and apply that to the outer portion close to the Sour Diesel shade. And this shade is more of a deeper green. Hopefully you guys can see. So all these colors blend in so well and they all complement one another. So I just like the gradient effect where it's going light to dark. It's really pretty. These shades are so pretty. Especially like if you're gonna go out or something, like for a night out. Oh, these are so bomb. We're gonna go ahead and move on to our lower lash line, and I'm still gonna take the smudger brush, and the shade that I'm wanting to use is Granddaddy, and it's that middle gold shade, but it's like pretty much a green, like a green gold. And I'm just gonna go ahead and just apply that to this lower lash line. And the shade that I'm going to take is Gravity OG. I'm going to put that right in that inner portion. So I think what I decided to do is just go in and put like a good amount of mascara, and the mascara that I'm using today is the Superhero from It Cosmetics. It's another one of my favorites. I actually need to go purchase the NARS one, the NARS Climax one, because that is like the OG of mascaras that I absolutely love, but I just haven't been able to get that. But this mascara right here is definitely amazing. What is y'all's favorite mascara? Because this is one of my top mascaras that I love to use. So since I am using mascara, you guys can use falsies. I do know that I do have like some long ass eyelashes, so I just really wanted to just let my real lashes kind of have their moment and let this shadow shine through, and it just looks so pretty. Like, I really love this look. I'm gonna go ahead and put mascara on my bottom lashes, just a little bit, not too much. Don't want to go overboard. That's pretty much it. And let me pick out a lip. I think I want to go for a nice juicy gloss. So I will be right back and I'll let you guys know what gloss I chose to use. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished look. My lip that I went with is the Makeup Forever Anywhere Caffeine lip liner. This is my favorite lip liner. You'll probably see me use it all the time or let you guys know about this lip liner, but it's just your perfect, like, really pretty nude brownie shade. And then with the juicy gloss that I decided to go with is the Patrick Ta. She's expensive. This is his Major Glow Lip Shine lip gloss, and this packaging is just so cute. I love the packaging, and it's not sticky, it's just juicy, shiny, and just really pretty. It has really pretty reflex on there. I do know it looks like I have like a nude lipstick under there, but I don't. Usually when I do my foundation, I kind of go over my lips, so that's all you're seeing there is just the foundation that I use. But you guys, this palette, like, everything about it is bomb. When you're using it, just be careful with like fallout, like with the too dark shades in there. You want to make sure you're tapping off that excess or putting powder under your eyes. Since I did tap off the excess, I did not get any fallout, as you can see. And I used all the gold greeny shimmer shades in this palette, so this is what it's looking like. I really like how it turned out. You can definitely use this for a night out. So yeah, if I could find this down below, then I'll go ahead and link it for you guys. I'll go ahead and link that down below. If you're interested in getting the Smoke Sessions, hopefully they have this, because I know how hard it was to get this bad boy. I got it the second time around, and I feel like it took a whole year for them to like bring it back and stuff. But anywho, anyways, yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's look. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel as well. Don't forget to comment something down below. I really wanted to review like the gold shades, because I had seen someone had mentioned that, hey, you should like do the other side of that palette, so which was a brilliant idea. So thank you for your idea. And yeah, just let me know what else you want to see, foundations, mascaras, or just a certain type of look or recreation of something. I just love playing with makeup, so yeah, let your girl know down below. So I will see you guys on the next video. You guys have a good day wherever you are. Positive vibes from me to you. Bye guys.